scientists discover new species of dwarf BOA in Ecuadorian Amazon, naming it after indigenous activist.
Scientists have discovered a new species of dwarf BOA in the Ecuadorian Amazon and named it after an indigenous activist. Key points: 2 specimens of a new dwarf BOA species were discovered in a reserve and a private park. The species is unusual for having a vestigial pelvis. It brings the number of known Tropidophis species in South America to 6. Up to 20 cm long and with skin colorings similar to those of the BOA constrictor, the previously unknown snake has been named Tropidophis cacuingai. The second part of the name honors early 20th century indigenous rights activist Dolores Cacuango, according to Ecuador's Environment Ministry. 2 specimens were found in the Colonzo Chalupas National Reserve and in the private Sumac Kafsi Park, the discoverers reported. The snakes are a relic of time, Ecuadorian researcher Mario Yanez, of the National Biodiversity Institute (INABIO), said. They are animals so old, that finding or bumping into one of them is a privilege. The species is unusual for having a vestigial pelvis, a characteristic of primitive snakes, taken as evidence by some that snakes descended from lizards that lost their limbs over millions of years. The team's findings were published in the European Journal of Taxonomy. The ministry said the discovery brought to 6 the number of known Tropidophis species endemic to South America.